Hello everyone, this is Keetana. Today I am going to present seminar on the topic of assistive technology. Today we are going to see assistive technology in hemodialysis. First of all, let's start with an intro of hemodialysis. The hemodialysis is a medical assistive technology which is used for kidney failure patients. It removes the toxins and excess fluids from our blood. So it acts as an artificial replacement for our kidney function, and it is also widely used in many multi-specialty hospitals and dialysis centers. Next, we are going to see the overview of a kidney failure. Kidneys lost their ability to filter the blood becomes the failure. So it is divided into two types. There are two types of kidney failure. First one is acute kidney injury, and the second one is chronic kidney diseases. It leads to accumulation of urea and the toxins. So the major types is I already told, acute and chronic kidney failure injuries, right? And it requires the dialysis or the transplant, kidney transplant. If it is chronic means we can transplant the kidney. And next we see the need for hemodialysis. The main need for hemodialysis are it maintains the electrolyte balance and removes the metabolic waste products and controls our blood pressure and improves our survival rate. These are the basic needs of hemodialysis. Next, we see the definition of the hemodialysis. The hemodialysis is the process of purifying blood using a machine. The blood is circulated outside the body and filtered using a dialyzer, that is also known as artificial kidney. In this process, it cleans the blood and return back to our body. And what are all the components in the hemodialysis machine? The major components in the machine are blood pump, dialyzer, dialysis delivery system, tubing system, and monitoring sensors. Next, we see the artificial kidney, which is nothing but the dialyzer. The dialyzer contains a hollow fiber membrane. It allows the selective filtration and removes the urea and creatinine very effectively. The key unit of dialysis system is the dialyzer. Next, dialysate solution. It is a special fluid which is used to remove the waste, and it contains the electrolytes like sodium and potassium. It also maintains the osmotic balance of our body, and the flow in the dialysate solution flow is opposite to the blood. Next, we see the process. The flow process are the blood withdrawn through the vascular access and pumped into the dialyzer. The waste diffuses in the dialysate with the diffusion of the dialysate solution and the blood, and it cleans the blood returned. Next, what are the types of vascular access in the hemodialysis? The major types are AV fistula, AV graft, central venous catheter, and it ensures the continuous blood flow. What is the role of assistive technology in hemodialysis? The main role of assistive technology is real time monitoring systems, pressure and flow sensors, alarm systems for safety, and automations also improves the accuracy. To improve the efficiency of the hemodialysis, we include the assistive technology in the hemodialysis machine. Next, we see the what are all the advantages of assistive technology in hemodialysis. The major advantages are it removes the waste very effectively, and it is a life saving procedure. So the precision is very important, and it improves the patient quality of life, and most widely available treatment for kidney failure patients, both acute and chronic kidney injury. The machines differ. For example, if a chronic kidney injury, we uses the regular hemodialysis or the sled. But acute kidney injury patients need other equipment because they are hemodynamically unstable. So in that case, we uses the CRRT machine. The machines may be differ, but the process doing in the machine remains same. So the assistive technology is included with these types of hemodialysis machine. It improves the precision and the accuracy, which saves the patient's life. Next, we see the limitations and complications. The major limitations and complications in the hemodialysis machine are time consuming. It takes 3 to 4 hours per session. It is only for convenient, like intermittent hemodialysis only, it takes 3 to 4 hours. But in SLED, it takes up to 6 to 12 hours. If you are going to CRRT machine as an option for the hemodynamically unstable patients, it takes 24 hours up to 72 hours also. So the time consumption in this procedure is a major limitation. And risk of infection, hypotension and cramps, hypertension also, and it requires long term treatment. Next, we are in the conclusion part. The hemodialysis is a critical assistive technology. So, it supports the patients with kidney failure, and continuous advancements improves the efficiency. So, the future hopes includes the portable dialysis devices also. Thank you for listening.